dream in my eye. I'll be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.
Yeah.
I got one more comment. Ashley L. Crocker says Sawgrass is very helpful. I bought it. I used one that didn't work. That gave me a great discount on it. A new one. I only paid $200 for the first one I had. So you came up, seems like twice.
That's a good price.
Ashley, you can't be giving away the game in the comments. We got you in 2 weeks. So
Hey,
You talk
another
about
way,
the 40 by 40 you got over there.
if y'all
Man.
want to make some extra cash, you don't have to have a Sawgrass printer. You log on to, if you go to my Instagram, you'll see, it says, I think it says Sawgrass e-store. You go to my Instagram and you click on my my links, and you'll see Sawgrass e-store. Sawgrass has an e-store that you can create. You don't have to have their printer. You can create a store and you can upload your images, and you can say they have a bunch of templates, a bunch of substrates that they can sell, kind of like print on demand. They have their own print on demand.
Oh, wow.
Look at my my Instagram e-store, or my link for Sawgrass e-store. I have like over 1,800 products on there.
wow.
You can upload like whoever's doing the squad constituents. You can upload that onto a shirt. You can pick whatever substrates: shirts, pillows, mugs, tumbler, mouse pad. They have so many substrates, and you can adjust the picture and then just upload it. You can they have a suggested price. You can adjust that too. But check out my store and you'll see what I'm talking about. You do not have to have a Sawgrass printer. It's free to use. It's free to use. You can use their templates and they're editable. If you can upgrade if you want to get access to other templates, but like I said, they have easy templates, and I don't even use them because I'm so in love with Silhouette. I do everything and create my own stuff in Silhouette. Even though Sawgrass has templates, I don't use them. I should, but I'm so busy with Silhouette and enjoying Silhouette.
Hey, so it's safe to say you team Cameo, right?
Yes, absolutely, 100.
Oh, yes.
Gotta do it.
I learned.
What's up, All Things Styles?
Hey, all things all.
You know, good.
What's going on, man? You over quiet, man.
Oh, you know, and is it 6:30 or 7 o'clock? Even though I'm here at 7:30, but is it 6:30 or 7 o'clock?
It's
7
10:42.
What time is it?
7 o'clock.
Okay.
Part time, you know, this West Coast time. Everybody else is different time zones than us.
Don't listen to me.
Yeah, I got the week at 6:30. I got on at 7. It was like 7:30, and I looked up. I had like 2 alarms. Like, okay.
You listen to Mike.
Rachel, I'm just telling the truth.
Hey, you listen to Mike T's. He'll have you ready at 3:30 or something, man. Watch, don't let him tell you the time difference.
I was ready yesterday. I'm just here. You know, I'm just here. I'm just listening.
Don't feel bad. I got confused twice. I thought it was last Saturday, and then I thought it was at 5 o'clock today. Literally, all this moving, I'm brain dead. My brain is fried, seriously.
Oh,
I know the feeling. I work graveyard. I definitely know that feeling.
And I'm sure I look tired or stoned or something to y'all right now.
talk about looking tired and stoned. That Stalls video I just did, I was looking horrible. And it was my blood pressure, y'all. Anybody that watched that video, our blood pressure was all out of whack. I actually viewed the video like 6 times, like, man, I look toe up. I don't know if I can keep this up there, but I left a comment in the comments.
I read the whole description. You got a diagnosis.
Oh, man.
The medical term.
Yeah. Hey, y'all want to know a backstory real quick to that? I went to the wrong spot to record that video. And they just let me in. They just let me walk right on into the building and tell them I was gonna record a video. I'm like, man, This is crazy. Nobody stopped me. I was in the place for 2 hours. No one said you in the wrong building. No, none of that. They just let me go ahead and record.
Oh,
I'm in
wow.
there yelling, YouTube, loud and everything.
Wow. That's
Yeah,
crazy.
that's not at all.
Hey, I made a way out of no way. I'm telling you what,
Right?
I had a little 8x8 with some stalls.
Wow.
I'm trying to get every
That
angle
is
of stuff
comedy.
in there.
That's funny though. They did
Hot
nobody
mess.
said nothing.
Yeah, they just
They
let me
told
walk
us
out.
So how you know you was in how you found out you was in the wrong spot, Mike?
The rep called me when I got home. He was like, we was waiting
Where
for
you
you.
at?
I'm like, I showed up and I showed out. You know, that's what I'm telling him. He was like, Mike, I've been working for Sauce for 15 years and I ain't never been in that building. He was like, how did you get to that building? He was like,
Wow.
Hey,
we got a tour waiting for you. We was gonna show you how the transfers is made and all this and that. I'm like, man. I'm like, well, we can reschedule. We can do this over. I was like, I wasn't feeling too hot that day anyway. So
but what's
y'all
cool,
look out for new stalls.
what's
Right.
cold about that story is you was getting cussed out at the place you was supposed to be for not showing up.
Yeah, for not
You know?
showing up. Yeah.
Hey, he was working.
Don't call no show.
Right.
I was making a way, you know. Make what do they say? Make do with what you got. Shoot. I
Right.
seen a couple of little banners. I was like, okay, we're gonna hit that. Alexis, get over there and point in the corner over there. Yeah, we gotta make her feel like we really in the building. So
Funny.
yeah, that was hilarious.
Well, as long as they don't see
That's-
your video and see their building and then say he didn't have no permission to be in his building.
You know what? The crazy thing is, I walked past some cubicles and everybody was greeting me, but my wife said they was like snickering under their breath, but no one said anything to me. And like I said, my health condition was so poor that day, I didn't pick up on nothing. All I knew is I was at Stalls and I needed to record a video. That's all I knew. I was gonna get that video by any means necessary.
Right.
And you
all I
did.
knew. I actually made 3 videos. The other 2 won't see the daylight. I was gonna put that on out there. I'm gonna wait till I go back there and shoot again. So, and actually take the tour, the factory tour that they had planned and scheduled for me. But even the rep called me. He was cracking up. He was like, "I ain't never been in that building." He's like, "That's down on the corner from us." I'm like, "What?" But nobody said anything to me. So, you know, what do you do?
That's funny.
Yeah, my wife was hollering at me though. She was cracking up. She laughed all the way back.
I bet. Yeah.
Rachel said you throwing shade again, Mike.
About
Team
what?
Cameo.
Oh, that's all it is.
You know how we do
What's
it.
wrong with it? We're just trying to convert some of you crickets over. I mean, cricket users over. That's all.
It's the weekly debate. It's the
Why
weekly
you gotta
debate.
convert? Let us be. Why you gotta convert us over? Just let us be.
We just trying to help you be great at the end of the day now.
But
I
Faye,
ain't great
you
with my cricket,
like,
sir. Who said I want great with my cricket, Mike?
You
Faye,
are.
you like
You're immaculate with that cricket. I can't talk. You're excluded from the conversation. All you do
because Faye, you like Rocket in the movie Colors. You so you use a cricket, but you mess with the cameo, so you riding on the fence. So come
Heads
on
up,
over.
there are stock.
I had ordered that 24-inch cameo, and actually I didn't order it. My girlfriend bought it for me for just because, and it was in September. Yeah, and October rolled around, and they kept telling me, you know, it'll be by the end of November. November rolled around, they said it'd be by the end of December. And I was like, man, you know what? I haven't even really done any research on it, you know, like what's changed. My thought was just making, you know, banners and, you know, like wall decals and expand to doing that, you know, bigger decals. And then I was like, well, I started watching videos and nobody talks negative about it because they were getting kickbacks. I was noticing like Swing Design, Silhouette, what is that lady's name?
so like anonymous.
No, not her.
Silaholics.
Silhouette School, I think is what it's called.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And
No,
then
you're
I was watching Shakira with Silaholics. I watch her a lot.
Yeah.
Because she's always talking about those the conversions, and I was trying to make this damn 47 ET47 work. And the reason, let me say real quick, the reason I don't like that ET700 is because you have to save, like Sawgrass, I can tell it what substrate I'm going to print on, but with the Eco tanks, some people don't make the changes, they'll just print whatever prints out. But you have to save certain settings like premium paper mat, plain paper, for different things that you're printing on. Like somebody said a little while ago that it's plain paper doesn't work on tumblers. I did not want to sit there and have to try to freaking figure out what worked on what. That's why my girlfriend, as soon as I'm done with this damn ink, I'm gonna put the original ink back in there and you can have it. It was I got it on sale at Target for $230 something. That's why I decided, you know what, I'm gonna get my Sawgrass. But anyway, the 24-inch cameo, Shakia was talking about it. Sorry, I'm bouncing back and forth. She was talking about it and she was saying that she was having trouble with something, and I mean, she gets into detail, but she's a smart lady. I don't know how she does what she does. She's just all over the place, but she knows her shit.
What's her
That's a bad word. And I told her, I said, you're smart. You're one smart cookie. You know, you're very knowledgeable. But anyway, she said that when she said that, I was like, you know what? I don't need the 24-inch. My girlfriend just wanted me to have it because I told her that I didn't want to have to keep piecing together, 12-inch, which I didn't mind, but it is time consuming. And she says, it'll save you time, because you use 24 inches, blah, 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 whatever. But then I was like, wait, I don't want to buy something if there's issues with it. She said, I don't know what else she said. There was a few things that she just didn't like or agree with. And because she's knowledgeable, I feel like she saved me a lot of time, and it wasn't my money. I could have still kept it because it was free for me or gotten it, but I wasn't gonna let my girlfriend waste her money. I called and I got it through Swing Design, and it was a really nice package. It came with a lot of freebies. I mean, a lot. Markers, blades, and HCV. Now I kind of wonder why it came with so many freebies. But anyway, I canceled it because I said, you know what? I never have problems with my Cameo 3. I can still do banners. I can still do wall, whatever, decals. So I'm not against it. But if somebody tells me that there's more than a few problems, that's enough for me. And if it's from a trustworthy source, then that's good enough for me. So if you question or you're not sure about something, I encourage people to always watch videos and follow people that have done research or that you trust. Don't just say, oh, Gina, she's doing this. I'm not saying I know everything, but watch videos. I encourage people to watch the heck out of videos. Do your research. Don't just assume that something's gonna work the way you want it.
Going apparel, the dream in my eye. I be an example to myself in the tears that I cry.